a card reading. Today's topic is going to be about how does my crush feel about me. So how does your crush feel about you? So let's go ahead and start the reading. We have 4 piles here. Today I don't have any crystals or anything but the message from the universe. So it is joy is the ultimate creator is the first pile. Second is the universe works fast when I'm having fun. Third is energy flows where my intention goes. And my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what will I manifest. So we have these 4 piles. I don't have any tarot cards in them. So there will also be that we would get clarifiers or in general few messages from my own personal angel cards deck. So yeah, please go ahead, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Slowly open your eyes. Now, whichever pile that you are guided to, whichever message calls to you is the pile for you. So go ahead and choose your pile. Now I'm going to start the reading with pile number 1. Pile number 1 is joy is the ultimate creator. So we have joy is the ultimate creator for you. Let's see how does your crush feel about you. Right? We have exhaustion, heart awakening, awaken to acceptance and divine love, give and receive in balance. Okay, and then there is judgment. I feel that this pile or the people who chose this pile have been waiting for a very long time. I mean, you have been waiting for a very long time for them, for your person to give a clarity or anything, and you have been constantly putting on the efforts, even to have a communication going, even to have the talks running, but the other person hasn't, and this has become a problem, sometimes a kind of a sad thing for you, and it also gives you anxiety at times. I feel that. And for your crush feeling about you, it's just that your crush hasn't decided anything yet, and at times feels a bit overpowered or a bit exhausted from constant efforts that you have been putting in, and that he has to reciprocate at times when he or she has to reciprocate in order to give that value or that respect to you in general. So there is definitely a bit of resistance from this person who you are asking about. So I would suggest, as per the universe here, that you should put in the effort but in balance. Do only put efforts when the other person is showing equal efforts for you. Otherwise, just take a step back, because even the other person is feeling exhausted and a bit taken aback by your problem. And there is also an angel cards here has grief. If you can see this card, grief. So I feel that the person you are attracted to must also be going through some conflicts and grief of his own, and that is why he's feeling exhausted at this moment, and that's the reason he hasn't been very much open or even receptive about your affection or anything, because for this person it would take time for him to decide anything about you per se, to have a opinion on this connection. So at this moment this person has his own things that he's dealing with. So the suggestion for you here would be to just wait and not give much more of effort than what is required from your end, and take things slow and let the divine timing take the place. And if you are being very anxious or fearful about this situation, universe is actually asking you to go into your higher vibration of happiness in order to make things happen and not push yourself much more than what is required. required. I'm constantly getting that you have been putting a lot of effort and putting yourself as a second priority, which is actually affecting your happiness as well. So it is asking you to find your joy without this person, without linking to this person. So that is where you are going to find an answer to this, because this person still needs time to deal with his own life at this current moment, and would definitely require more time to think about the connection or the feelings that this person has for you. I hope this file resonated with you. If it did, please like, share and subscribe. Please do comment below if you would like me to add any more points in this. Let's go to the pile number 2. What does your crush feel about you? Integration. Oh my god. Alright. This is a good card here. From the Keepers of Light, we have Earth Connection. Be mindful of the planet. Come back to Earth. Stay grounded. Alright. The Devil. And the card is Universe works fast when I'm having fun. So I definitely feel that this person does have a bit of feelings, or a bit of connection towards you, but for him or her, but for that person, in order to take any step forward, at least would take time, because this person at this particular moment is going through their own transformation journey, which has been a bit difficult for them, and they're trying to find their place and their passion and their path in life, and trying to be guided, trying to be grounded in such things, and trying to find their path in their life. So at this moment, this person definitely do have feelings for you, but will take some time in order to come forward to you and just even be much more open to you. I do feel that this person also has a lot of lust, or very physically attracted to you. He or she is very physically attracted to you, and that could be the reason it is getting difficult for them to think of it as a very spiritual connection, because I feel that you on the other hand have a very you feel that this is a very spiritual kind of connection with this person, and this person hasn't been able to yet recognize it. For them, this is much more of an attraction, and very strong attraction. So yeah, it will take time for them to accept it as a very spiritual and divine connection, and for that, this person needs to be grounded and come into their reality and find balance. I mean, cards are also speaking exactly. So yeah, this person needs to find balance in order to understand that this connection is much more than physical stuff. And yeah, that will happen, but yeah, it will only happen when this person listens to the universe and the message that the universe has been trying to send to him or her, and then get grounded. That is when things are going to happen from this person's side. But yes, this person does have a lot of strong attractive feelings for you. So that's it for this. And if you would like to manifest this person, and manifest this balance and everything in your relationship or in your connection, I would suggest to go into a much more calmer self, other than being overthinking about situations or over analyzing every point which this person says. Just take one day at a time with this person. So even if this person in 1 week or vulnerable moment has told something which might be going through your mind a lot, don't overthink about it, and just take one day at a time and have patience with this connection. I hope this message resonated with you. If it did, please like, share and subscribe, and please do comment if you would like to know any more, have any more ideas for pick a card readings. Now let's go to pile number 3. I got Choose Osho Zen Tarot card. Guilt and harmony with charity, prayer and contemplation. Connect with heaven, ask, you shall receive. Alright. And then the Magician. I mean, yes, this person does have feelings for you, but I do also feel that there has been some kind of maybe a past connection, or maybe something has happened in your past or very recent past where this person is kind of holding a guilt of something that they did which they shouldn't have, and that's why they are in too much of contemplation at this moment. But yes, this person does have feelings for you and will in time come into a harmony with this connection. And I do feel that there is going to be a good forward movement with this connection. There is going to be creativity, which is nothing but creative energy, is nothing but sacral chakra. So, and there is also going to be partnership. Yes, so you are manifesting this, and similarly that person is also working on themselves in order to come out of that guilt or their old things that they have done in the past, to come out of it and take that step, a leap of faith towards you. So that is going to happen. With time, you are going to find that balance and harmony in this connection, and any resistance and any troubles and hindrances would be cleared with time. So universe message for you would be to flow towards your intentions, let the energy flow and not direct any, not try to control or contemplate any situation more than that is required. So let things happen at its own pace. This person is also trying to find another way to let go of his own troubles and his own sorrow that he or she is going through. So yeah, that's what I get from this person. This person does have feelings for you, but is trying to get away from their own past and old guilt and trying to come forward to you, and that will happen. There will be partnership for you both in the future. I hope this file resonated with you. If it did, please like, share and subscribe, and please let me know if there are any suggestions or messages from your side that you would like me to do in the figure card reading. So let's move forward to the pile number 4. Let's see what we have here. We have again two things, intensity and the dream. Okay. Green Tara, supreme protection. You are protected. Cords are being cut. Move beyond limitation and trust. I love that card so much. And the Lovers. I mean, your person, the person who you are asking about and the person you have been thinking about does have a very, very, very strong connection towards you. This person has been, I feel, has been connected to you from a long time, but things have just not, hasn't moved forward as it is supposed to. But this person does have a very, very strong feelings for you, very strong feelings for you. So for you, it is asking, the universe is asking to have a very positive energy, because there is some kind of resistance from your end that is stopping from this connection to come into a reality, because I definitely feel that this person has immense respect, immense love, immense connected feelings towards you. So there is definitely a very strong love connection that I see here. Your crush, I think, has very, very, very strong connection for you, and this could be possibly your twin soul or your soulmate. And yeah, so for you, clearly it says my energy creates my reality. So for you, this I feel is a message for you and not from your crush. It is asking you to visualize how you would like this connection to move ahead, and because that is going to help you manifest into the dream. And with the dream and visualization, your person means a lot about you, and in the daytime they constantly think about you and create scenarios in their minds to actually, I think, oh my god, okay, this would happen when they reach out to you. This, like they are wanting to let you know the truth and let you know the true feelings that they have been feeling and how protective about you they are. So their universe is also asking you to stop putting any limitation with this person, because this person will be a very perfect match to you if you give this connection a try and let this person come forward towards you, because I do see that there is going to be a union very very soon, or an offer from this person very very soon. I hope this message resonated with you. This was the most positive pile of all the 4 piles here. I hope you liked this figure card reading. If it resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to book a reading, please send me an email on my email ID, or you can follow me on Insta. You can follow me on Insta and connect me through the DMs. Thank you again for tuning in. All the best and have a great day. Tata, bye bye. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Have happy life ahead. Happy day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.